Primo wanted me to show off my toolbox that I got from my dad. It was just sitting in his, perfect for what I need. It's got all your basic tools and stuff. But let's open it up and see what we got. And of course everything falls apart. Gotta love that. Oh, I got it upside down. Let me let me solve that problem. So we got all your basics here, guys. We got stuff falling everywhere though. I'm not quite sure where that goes, but whatever. I'm sure we'll find out. Ugh. Oh, whatever. Alright, so all your basics in there, guys. I'm not going to go over them. Primo did a pretty good job on his video when he bought his. There we go. There. I don't know why this doesn't want to go in. There. So anyway, we got all your ratchets and open-ended wrenches and stuff down here. God. Maybe it's the cold weather, I don't know. Here, I'll pull this tray out. Show you guys a little better. I've shown this before. Mine's not as detailed as his package was, but hacksaw level, box cutter, nice hammer. I used the nails out here, if you guys remember, to build the pantry right there. Tacking those little pine boards on or whatever, or the not pine boards, but the what were they? Cedar, that's right. And then a little magnetic thing, which I should be using more often. But that's, I got the 3 panels. I got this one, I have this, and then I have the basic hand tools up here. So I'm gonna put this back together, and I'm gonna lift this up and show you guys how heavy it is. Oh, it's heavy. So it's got some weight to it. I'll close that down for now. And of course stuff's falling everywhere. Lock everything down. But the nice thing in here is I can roll this easily around on its little skid thing. So that's kind of cool. So I wanted to show Primo that. He must have a deluxe version because he had a hot glue gun and everything. But this one worked well for me so far in the tiny house. So it's going to stay here. It's its home. So that's good. So just wanted to give you that update, guys. And I'll take you over to the temperatures. It is cold out. I got the door open. It's oh, glare. 0 out and 1 in. 83% out, 65 in. Humidity, that is. Check on water levels. 0, 0, 0. If we get a decent amount of snow on the roof, that's when I'll start checking stuff. And yeah, I'm pretty sure my humidity detector is broken. 90%, no way. It is cold in here though, my feet are freezing. Waiting for you guys to respond to my other video of when to stay overnight in the tiny house, use up the rest of my propane. Right here. Sorry if I'm all over the place in here, guys, but my feet are freezing right now. Okay. Oh. But yeah, I'm putting my shoes back on. That's cold. So I got the air freshener in here. I noticed this tad bit of difference, but nothing too crazy so far. So I'm gonna shut things down. Can't wait for my accountant to rid me of all this mess, so I can pull that wall forward, do some work, build some shelving back in there, move a lot of this stuff back in behind there, and then I should be good. So that's it for now, guys, from the Off-Grid Tiny House.